This is a brand new 2013 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include an intercooled turbocharger, a navigation system, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, a power driver's seat, a power rear lift tailgate, leather seats, performance tires, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Phil Long Ford at Chapel Hills is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 1565 Auto Mall Loop in Colorado Springs.